things in life you forget they'll pass you by. It's the simple things in life.
Good morning. So we've just hired a car for 10 days. That's what we've been trying to do for the last few days. So they should be downstairs. I'm gonna go downstairs now and see how it's all gonna go. And hopefully all goes well.
Hey guys, so this is our little green driving machine. Check it out. Hello.
Oh my god.
So we got some wheels.
Lava. I can't even like go forward.
You're gonna be a nightmare in that thing.
I am. No, I'm okay now. He didn't tell me I had to like. I said, "Is this on?" And then he said, "All you do, you just turn the key on, and then you go into drive, and then you will drive." And then I didn't drive, so I was like, "What's going on?" But apparently,
you didn't turn it on, did you?
You have to turn on the engine.
Oh my god, this is what I've got to deal with, guys. Seriously, she's gonna kill me in this thing.
No, I'm not.
Alright guys, so when you park outside the hotel in that certain area, it's all pay to park, like pay and display, like back home. So it's 10 ringgit per half an hour, or per hour I think it is. So you can park there. So the book.
Alright, so
give us the facts.
So it's 10 ringgit for an hour pass. So in England you'd pay £2 for this piece of paper, which would give you 1 hour only. However, in Malaysia they do it the right way, and you pay £2, which is 10 ringgit for the whole entire book.
That you're going to lose.
And then every time you want to park for an hour, you just scratch off the year, the month, the day, and the time that you put the ticket in your window, and then you have an hour from that time. So I'm made up. You get a whole book of hour passes.
So we just went and got the drone bag from upstairs because we now have a boot. We have purchased a boot.
Yeah.
Well, that is what I'm talking about. We're not going nowhere yet though. We're gonna go and get some food first. Okay guys, we are in a Brunei restaurant. Brunei food. We came in and the staff automatically made me smile. So happy, so friendly. And I was like, please tell me that you serve food without spice, because in Malaysia everything is spicy. And they just started laughing. They were like, "You don't like spice?" And I said, "No, I'm so hungry because everything is spicy." And they just was laughing at me. So they've recommended me some buttermilk chicken with no spice, and that's what I'm gonna have. On the other hand, me got my plain rice, and I got the spicy rocket fuel chicken right here. Chicken curry I've gone for.
That looks gorgeous though.
Want to try some?
No. It will blow my head off my shoulders, and I'm the only one who is insured to drive, so no.
Speaking of driving, let's get to the basics here about Borneo and transportation and how to get around Borneo.
So after spending pretty much majority of yesterday on the internet, we came to the conclusion that getting a bike here is just a no-go because everything is so far away that I get really sore hips, and it's hard work sitting on a bike to go an hour or two down the road, but in Borneo everything is so far apart that it's too difficult to get to on a bike. So the best way to travel around Borneo is by car. So we've just paid 126 English pounds for 10 days, including insurance, for an automatic car. We had to pay 200 ringgit more for
because we're going to go to Sandakan.
Like a long distance kind of like a long distance fee, just to make sure you're insured past the 2,000 kilometer distance that you're allowed to drive, and also just to you kind of have to pay for the distance. You get 2,000 kilometers for free included in your hire, but anything more than that you drive over, you get charged. So the 200 was for the long distance fee, and also just to cover the mileage if you do go extra. So I'm really excited to have a car, except we did order a manual and they brought us an automatic, so I just had to have a driving lesson with the car hire man, which was interesting because I was bunny hopping down the road like this. But yeah, I'm excited to have a
So am I for the first time, because we can just throw all our bags in the back and we haven't got to worry about anything.
I'm excited for a road trip. We also have an audience, everyone is staring at me right now.
Borneo road trip. Woo! Oh my god guys, this tastes absolutely delightful. I love chicken curry. I love any curry, especially when it's spicy. And Malaysia has the spice game on lock though. Alright guys, it's time to test out Cody's driving ability. This could go one of two ways. Bad or very bad.
One of two ways. Left towards the Mari Mari village or right towards the hill.
Let's do this. We've just pulled off. We haven't died yet, so we're doing well.
I'm a good driver. Mate, I'm a good driver. What are you talking about? I passed my test a long time ago.
So we're going to a place called... No, it ain't called that. Kokol Hill. And apparently it's got a nice view. So hopefully we make it there in one piece. And maybe we can fly the drone. See what the situation is. So Cody's trying to work out how to use the petrol station.
Whoa. So confusing.
Yeah.
It's not like at home. They have to put it in on the system that you're either paying in cash or card, whether you're doing a full tank.
You got this, G.
Stressing me out. Thank you.
So how did you find your first experience topping up petrol in a petrol station?
So I was looking at it and it was saying, oh, not available, out of service, closed something on the screen, and I was like, it was literally open like 2 seconds ago. Then they started speaking Malaysian to me out of a speaker, and I'm just like, I have no idea what you just said. So then next minute some guy came up and was like, hello, and I was like, thank you for coming to save me, and then he just started laughing. So I filled up with 26 ringgit. 26 ringgit, and I got 11 litres, which is definitely more of a bargain than we get in England. Rip off Britain and all. And now we're on our merry way.
There we go.
Let's try again.
We got there in the end.
Now we're on our merry way. So
let's go.
Let's go.
Enjoying your car, your car situation right now?
Don't understand. I love having a bike and getting out and exploring the country. I absolutely love it, but because it hurts my hip so much, it's nice to actually be sitting in a comfortable car with the whole space to yourself, the whole road width to yourself. You don't have to worry about dodging in between cars. I'm not scared about going around corners in case I fall off and do me leg in again. It's so nice to drive. I absolutely love driving. I passed in 2011 and I've never been sick of it. I could just drive for days and days and days. So it's really nice to actually just drive.
And it's really affordable as well, isn't it?
Really affordable. So it worked out, we rented this. This is not the car that we actually wanted. This is an automatic. I've never driven an automatic before. So it's a little bit confusing to get your head around at first. But it is completely doable, as you can tell, because I'm driving right now. But other than that, it's really affordable. I think it works out at like 20, what is it, like 22?
I think it was 18, wasn't it? £18
a day, which is £9 each, between like £9 for me, £9 for him a day to get around and have the whole car to yourself. Petrol costs absolutely nothing. It's so cheap to run, and we just put half a tank in and it cost like 20 ringgit, so what's 25, 10, 15, 20, 25, it costs £5 for half a tank of petrol.
So yeah, little baby 1 litre.
Oh my god, this hill. Little tiny car, really cheap to run. You've got the whole entire space to yourself. So tomorrow we're going to check out, throw our bags in the back, and we're going to drive, and we don't know where we're going to go, where we're going to end up, but we're going to just keep our stuff in the car, and then we can just go where we want, when we want, for as long as we want, with all of our stuff, which is the freedom that you don't have when you get a bike, because obviously when you've got a bike, only the two you can fit on. So I can't lie and say that I don't love the car, because I do.
Look at that, guys, that looks crazy. Look at that. Oh, this is a bit more like Borneo we was expecting. A lot more green. I like it. That view is crazy. I'm expecting some real nice views now when we get to the top. That looks so nice.
It's insane how, like, what Borneo looks like in your head. Before we done any research, and before we met Mike in Siargao in Philippines, the Alaskan guy, we expected to get off the plane and walk into a jungle. I just didn't expect it to be such a civilized place with so many, I don't know how to explain it. I really did expect it to be really raw, and you would kind of get off and it would be like an airport like in Masbate, where it's just a hut and a runway, and then you just get a bus somewhere and you're kind of in the wild. That's kind of what I expected. And when we done some research and seen pictures of the city, we were like, excuse me, that's Borneo? We were really kind of shocked. So we've kind of been we've only been in the city for just over 24 hours really, and we're already like itching to get out and see what real Borneo that we imagine looks like. So it's nice to be surrounded by green, because that's what we were expecting and that's what we wanted.
There is
look at that.
a lot of greenery right now.
Keep your fingers crossed for us, because all last week it absolutely teamed down apparently, and I watched a YouTube video this morning of a guy who was like, oh my god, it's beating hot, it's absolutely gorgeous, we're gonna go to the beach, and then his next clip was only joking, and it was absolutely teeming down. I've never seen rain like it. So keep your fingers crossed for us that the weather stays like this, because this is absolutely gorgeous. It's a different type of heat to anything that we've had so far. It's a bit more humid, but we can deal with that, that's not a problem.
So we've just got out of the car just to have a little look, and look at that. That is insane. That is the Borneo that we all have been waiting for. Hey guys, we have arrived.
Well, I went in and I was like, excuse me, can we get a drink here? Because this is like a homestay hotel thing. They were like, yeah, of course you can, come in. And I had a little look around the corner. Oh, it's amazing.
Joys of having a car, guys. It's the dream.
Real.
It's the thing of dreams.
It is what dreams made. It really is. Oh.
Providing you don't leave your key in your boot, that is.
I love the car. We gotta give it a name. It's done us proud today. Do you know what this reminds me of?
Damn, guys. What?
You know when we went to Morocco and we done the first trip?
Insane.
Do you remember when we went to Morocco?
Oh yeah.
We done the first trip of Paradise Valley, and it was the wrong trip that we done, but we had that absolutely amazing food on the balcony overlooking a view.
Oh, I remember
exactly like this.
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of.
That is insane. Okay.
This is Sapi Island. This is Mamutik Island. And then the other two,
You got, is it Gayo, is it? One of them?
it looks like one is Suluk Island and then the other one is Manukan Island.
So these are the islands that you can do on the island hopping tour. We're not sure how good they are because they're very touristy, so we've opted not to do them yet. But yeah, these are the islands that are in Kota Kinabalu. Back to our little green driving the machine.
Green driving machine. Our little P. Penelope.
The pod.
Ooh, that's a good name.
The driving pod. I could get used to this,
I'm
seriously.
going to call her Penelope.
Yeah, you
What
have
are you
that.
saying?
Penelope?
Yeah. Oh, I can feel spitting.
Well, that's okay because we have a car. We have a roof.
We have a roof. No more getting soaked on a bike. None of that. As long as it rains in the late afternoon, I don't really mind. Oh, we need the key. Otherwise I'm not going anywhere without the key.
Oh. So, what's the name of this resort? Let me see. So, Nasi Lemak Coffee Tea View. You can just come here whenever you like. Come straight in and you can get food, you can eat. We got some chips and some nuggets and drinks and you can just enjoy the view. So that's done. Now we can roll. Home please.
What am I, a taxi driver?
Alright guys.
Can we get
Home
this on-
sweet home.
Get this stuff on the way back?
Yeah. Why not? Cody got us back nice, safe and sound.
I'm a good driver. That's still kicking off.
So we've just come back to our Brunei place for dinner.
Yeah, back to Brunei chicken rice. Arriba. Oh, Arriba restaurant. Arriba!
I've got this thing like, whenever I see these sort of places, where it's like a buffet type thing, where the food's already cooked, and then you can put it in, you just pick what you want. I've got a habit of always eating from them. Thank you very much. Because when we was in the Philippines for so long, all we used to do was eat in the eatery. So
Yeah.
to me, that's like kind of like the eatery.
We
So,
feel a little bit at home. But we're in a completely different country and I'm not gonna lie, I love it already.
I love
I'm
it
a
too.
fan of Borneo.
Borneo. What sort of country are you in, bro? Borneo, yeah? Where's the invite? You didn't give me no invite.